off to Colorado. Not the 150, the 85 is going off to Colorado right now, along with the 110. Everything's redone, from the forks to the shock to shining all the little parts up to new plastics, new brakes, rotors, seat cover, bars, grips, levers. Waiting on pegs, but those will do for now. Yeah, we're loading up in the U-Haul. About to travel like a whole day to get to Colorado. And, yeah, should be a great time. 85's ready. 150's gonna be waiting for me when I get back. It's just how I like it, baby. I'm super excited to bring you guys this content in Colorado with the freshened up 85. She's a screamer, and should be awesome. Got that snapback, baby. Oh yeah. All right, waiting on Trevor and Noah.
One thing is,
You would never know.
we gotta be really careful that we don't lock the fucking key in there.
Do you have the key?
I have the key. It's all my car keys. So whatever we do, make sure that.
You're the one with the keys, dummy.
I guess
so
you're
make sure
right.
you don't put
So-
them in there.
Yeah, it's showing.
All right, I'm the key holder.
You are.
All right, you guys. Beautiful sunset here in Ohio. We are grabbing some more gas, and then we're gonna be back on the road. Ohio, baby, first state.
What the fuck are we finding in Ohio? In Ohio? Just in Ohio. Oh wait, man.
All the way to Colorado. Colorado Springs, here we come. What happened?
Nothing.
No, what actually happened?
Nothing.
Why are you laughing so hard? What happened?
You freaking packed it so good, bro.
Yeah,
I'm a Honda boy. You'll do it. Yeah! Motor, baby! Yeah! How do you feel now that we made it to Indiana? Oh my Jesus frick, dude.
I didn't expect it to have a shoulder.
You didn't expect it to have a shoulder.
Big ass shoulder, man. They got big shoulders.
It's all good, man.
I feel great besides driving on the shoulder.
Hopefully we can make a nice block pass on this semi up here.
Block
It's been
party.
driving pretty erratic.
Well, I've been following
What?
him because of his bright lights. So I don't
We're
know.
into the 16-hour range, so that's awesome. 16 hours, 49 minutes. Oh, bikes have fallen over, slouched, did a lot of things.
There's a lot.
Should have had it on GoPro when we opened the trailer door in
You know,
this Indiana truck stop. Should we have done, no?
That's a little bit lighter, but
Well, would having less stuff around the bikes even help?
well, maybe we'll figure a better solution because this is not it.
What do you start, Kenny?
Good. 250s don't have that. You're fucked. You're bump started. Anyway, you guys see how this is right now. All right. In 2 hours, we're gonna see how it is.
That 85's the root
This
of all.
is the problem.
And these bikes aren't going to be in the same spot when we open it back up.
You guys saw it.
Oh, how's she looking? How's she looking? No way.
Yep.
Is it tipped to gas? Good pit bike and derby car. How you feeling, man?
I'm good. It's a long fucking way.
I didn't realize it was 3 in the morning.
You want to grab those?
Even the loves in Illinois. Alright, you guys. We are in Kansas, about 6.5 hours away. Colorado. We had to do a little switcheroo last night, but all the bikes are straight now. 110's back here. Somewhere in Kansas, probably 2 hours from Colorado. Alright, you guys, this should be the last stop for the gas. 110's back there. Trailer's all good and locked down. Just opened it up, checked it out. Worked out better with those back there, so throw the last bit of gas in. We're gonna be to Colorado. Alright, how far are we? Pause the tunes, man. We gotta check the distance. We're 4 minutes. Oh.
No.
4 minutes away. 4 more minutes. Made it in the neighborhood. Bikes are good. Mountain view's good. This reminds me of Palm Springs. Alright, you guys, we made it to Colorado Springs. Mountains just over there. 110. Made it here good. And yeah. I'm excited. We got all the bikes loaded, unloaded, most of the stuff unloaded. Now we're just gonna chill for a little bit and see what tonight brings us. Good little first start on the 110 in Colorado. Sounded good.
All I want is you.